is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss module 10 of Java programming language, a beginner's guide to Java, course name, and the topic we're going to discuss today in this video is non-numeric reference type. In our previous video we discussed non-numeric primitive type, and those were character and boolean. When now in this video we will discuss non-numeric reference type. So let's start. Non-numeric reference type supported in Java are string and object. String is aggregation of characters. Object is the mother class of all classes. Directly or indirectly. Let's understand this better with the help of an example. So we will switch to Eclipse, used as an IDE for executing Java program, and we'll learn how we can use non-numeric reference type in Java. So we will click on this button and click on the Java project. Over here we'll give the name as non-numeric reference type behavior, name of the project. Click on the next button and then finish button, and this we will click the module name as program, which we have been using throughout. And now under this non-numeric reference type behavior project, we will first click on the module and then right click on it and then delete it, and then we're gonna create our own class by right clicking on the src folder, going to the new option. From here we'll click on the class button. So here we'll type the name as program, and one more thing, don't forget to check the box public static void main, which will create a void method in Java program. So here we are, viewers. Here we'll type the description of the program first by giving the double forward slashes for giving a comment. Like the description of this program is non-numeric reference type behavior. So first we'll discuss the class program, and here we'll give a command like program class inherit from object class implicitly. How? Let's see. First we will type static void data OPS, and under this structure we're gonna declare and define variables like string str equal to hello, and object dot obj equal to word, and where object is the mother class of all classes in Java. Now we're gonna use system.output.ln for giving the output system.out.println and type enclosed in parentheses first and then enclosed in double quotes. We will type string and then give plus str and then once again type system.out.println and give object string enclosed in parentheses as plus str plus obj over here. So we can see that we have assigned hello to string str and word to object. Be careful while typing any computer programming language, because once you can make a syntax error, it will be very difficult to trace in the whole program. If the program is a lengthy one, then it will be very difficult to trace errors in the program. Now I will type obj equal to 234. Now 234 is assigned to obj. We will type semicolon, line terminator. Now we will type object can be assigned with any value because it is the mother class of all classes. Now we will type one more. We will use the output statement system.out.println over here. And type system.out.println object string equal to plus obj and then type obj equal to false. Once again we will type system.out.println type object boolean. I will type plus obj. Since we are following so far sequence structure, so whatever is the next value, it will be executed right after the previous one. Like if we are here, you can see the obj has 234, and over here obj has word, here str has hello, but here we have used the obj variable once again, but here the value false is assigned to it. So every time new line is typed, it will be executed next to the previous line. First previous line is executed and then the next line, new line, by following the sequence structure. So over here we will type one more obj variable and give a value like 234 dot 7899, and now over here we will type system.out.println as object double as obj. Now that's all is said with the data OPS method. Now we're gonna call it, so we will first just type the name of that method by typing like this, and there should be a semicolon because we are going to call the above method over here in the main method, so it should be followed by a semicolon. Very important to understand. First we will type the name of the method and then we will type the parenthesis and then the semicolon. So we're going to click on this run button, and from here we'll click at run as and then click the Java application viewers. So you can see the output. Like first you can see the string hello was assigned to str, so you can see the value of hello, and again you can see the output obj. So world was stored in it, so you can see the object as world, and after that 234 was assigned to obj. So here you can see the 234. Here false was assigned to obj. You can see the value false over here, and here you can see the obj is given as the value 234700. So we have typed many times in this program, whole program, the command that object is the mother class of all classes in Java. And once again, object can be assigned any value because it is the mother class of all classes. Like we have assigned an integer value over here, then we assigned a false value which is a boolean type, and 234 is an integer type, but all different data types values can be assigned to obj because it is a mother class of all class. And once again, here you can see the double value, a decimal fractional value can be assigned to obj again. So we don't need to type integer over here or boolean over here or double over here. We can just type obj because we have described the obj as an object. So the type of the obj was object. So object is the mother class of all class, so it can be assigned any value. We don't need to specify any other specific data type for any specific type of values we can use in our program. So that's all, viewers. That was a program to understand the concept of non-numeric reference type in Java in program class inherit from object class implicitly. So you can see an object class and then program class. That's all. Thanks for watching.